Hello everyone. Let's simplify this problem right away. We have 9 over 4 to the power of 9 over 4. Okay, so you have to sit back and learn. From here, this is the same thing as 3 over, 3 squared, because 9 is 3 squared, and that will be over 2 squared, because 4 is 2 squared, right? Now, everything here is raised to the power of 9 over 4. Now, what can I do? This is, I can now apply this. If you have a to the power of m over b to the power of m, because they have the same power, we can have a over b to the power of m, because they have the same power. I can do the same thing to this, and I have 3 over 2 to the power of 2. Okay, now we still have the power of 9 over 4, right? And then remember that when you have two powers, they can always multiply, so that 2 will go into itself and it goes into 4 two times. So we'll be having 3 over 2 now raised to the power of 9 over 2, because 2 into 2 will give 2 here, right? Now let's continue from here. I can work on this 9 over 2. Remember, I told you we're going to play around the number, right? So we're going to have 3 over 2 to the power of 9 is 8 plus 1, and that is over 2. Now I can work on this and get 3 over 2 to the power of 8 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Remember, this will still give us 3 over 2 to the power of 9 over 2, right? Now, what do I have to do? Let's divide this first. So we get 3 over 2. This is raised to the power of 4, then plus 1 over 2. Now, do you know that this will be the same thing as 3 over 4? Okay, 3 over 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 3 over 2 to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, this and this, do you think they are the same thing? Okay, they are the same, because if you obey one of the rules of indices, you have to pick one of these and add the powers. So that will give you this right back. Now, what if I work on this and I get 3 to the power of 4? That will give us 81 over 2 to the power of 4 will give us 16. Then multiply by 3 over 2 to the power of 1 over 2 is the same thing as square root of 3 over 2. Now let's continue. Here we have 81 over 16, then multiply by, you can actually break this into 2, so you have square root of 3 over square root of 2. Okay, and then we have to rationalize whatever we have here. So we have 81 over 16 multiplied by square root of 3 over square root of 2. Then to rationalize, you multiply the denominator by itself and multiply by the numerator. So we have square root of 2 over the square root of 2. Remember, what we have here and this, they are the same thing, right? They are equal. So to continue with this, we have 81 over 16, then multiply by 3. Root 3 multiplied by root 2 will give us square root of 6. Okay, so this is 6. And then that will be over square root of 2 times square root of 2 will give us 2. Because it should give us square root of 4. and square root of 4 is same as 2, right? So this will be equal to 81 times root 6 will give us 81 root 6. Okay, so we have 81 root 6. This is 6. Then under here we have 16 multiplied by 2, and that will give us 32, right? Okay, so we write our 32 there. We're having 81 root 6 over 32. So this right here, 9 over 4 to the power of 9 over 4, is the same thing to 81 root 6 over 32. Okay, thank you for watching to the end. Subscribe to my channel to get more of videos like this.